Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study about second tense of set of past tenses, that is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense means the subject was working in previous days, previous months or previous year. अगर हम कोई भी फ़िक्रा देखें जिसमें रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे वगैरह आए, तो वो जो सेंटेंस होगा या फ़िक्रा होगा वो पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस का सेंटेंस होगा. In this kind of sentence, the work continuously was doing and time period will be in the previous days, previous year or previous months, etc. So let's see what would be the structure of these sentences. First of all, subject. And then use of helping verb was or were. Along this helping verb, addition of first form of verb original first form of verb, and along first form of verb there will be addition of ing. In every type of continuous tense there will be addition of ing in original verb, and in the last of sentence there will be object. Subject was or were, first form of verb with ing, and in the end of the sentence there will be use of object. To understand past continuous tense, we will see different examples. Ali was going to school. Amna was cooking food. He was eating food. She was coming to the party. Players were playing football. Sun was shining. It was raining, etc. etc. This was the simple sentence of past continuous tense. Now study about the negative sentences of past continuous tense. When we see negative sentences, we think the use of not. In negative sentences, there is use of no or not in sentences. Let's see what would be the structure of negative sentences of past continuous tense. First of all, subject, and after subject of use of was or were, and after use of was or were there will be addition of no or not. In negative sentences of past continuous tense, first of all the structure includes subject, use of was or were, plus no or not, plus first form of verb. Along the first form of verb there will be addition of ing, and in the last there will be object. Subject, was or were, not, first form of verb ing, and at the end of sentence there will be object. To understand negative sentences of past continuous tense, let's see few examples. You were not watching television. They were not studying match yesterday. I was not washing the dishes. She was not reading book. Players were not playing cricket, etc. etc. आप कोई भी ऐसा सेंटेंस देखें या फ़िक्रा देखें जिसमें नो या नॉट का इस्तेमाल हो तो वो मनफी फ़िक्रा कहलाता है. पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में मनफी फ़िक्रात जो हैं वो जैसे बनेंगे वो मैंने स्ट्रक्चर आपको बता दिया है. आपने इस स्ट्रक्चर को फॉलो करना है. टू फॉलो दिस काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर you will be able to make negative sentences of past continuous tense. Let's see about the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences का मतलब ये होता है कि सवाल किया जाए. ऐसे फ़िक्रात जिनमें आपसे कोई पूछगछ की जाए, कोई सवाल किया जाए, उन्हें हम सवालिया फ़िक्रात कहते हैं. मिसाल के तौर पर ये काम कब हुआ था, क्यों हुआ था, कैसे हुआ था, यूज़ ऑफ व्हाट, हाउ, वेयर, etc. etc. When we use question, words in any sentence, there will be the sentence of interrogative tense. What would be the structure of interrogative sentence? First of all, in the beginning of sentence, there will be use of was or were. Was or were is to be used in the beginning of the sentence in interrogative sentences of past continuous tense. Was or were, subject, first form of verb, use of ing, and at the end of the sentence object. Was or were plus subject plus first form of verb, ing, and object. Few examples, let's see few examples to understand the interrogative sentences of past continuous tense. Were children playing football? Was she not eating? What would be the structure of interrogative sentence of past continuous sentences? In these kind of sentences, was or were at the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then first form of verb, and then object. तो इसको समझने के लिए कि सवालिया फ़िक्रात जो हैं वो उसमें पास्ट कंटिन्यूस के सवालिया फ़िक्रात में स्ट्रक्चर कैसे बनेगा, हमें सबसे पहले देख लीजिए कि वाज या वर जो है वो फ़िक्रे के शुरू में लगेगा, उसके बाद सब्जेक्ट, फिर वर्ब की पहली फॉर्म, उसके साथ ing एंड देन ऑब्जेक्ट. In this kind of sentences, was or were at the beginning of sentence, then subject, then first form of verb. Along with first form of verb, there will be ing, and at the end of sentence, the object is added. To understand the interrogative sentences of past continuous tense, let's see few examples. Were you watching television? क्या आप टेलीविज़न देख रहे थे? Was she cooking food? क्या वो खाना बना रही थी? Were children playing football? क्या बच्चे फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे? To watch this, to watch these kind of sentences, you will be able to understand about the interrogative sentences of past continuous tense. Let's see, when we see any sentence having use of not and also this sentence is interrogative, then it would be the interrogative sentence along with negative simultaneously. What would be the structure of this kind of sentence in which there is question and also use of not? Was or verb at the beginning of sentence, then subject, then not, then first form of verb. Along with first form of verb, there will be use of ing, and the end of the sentence there is object. Was or were plus subject plus not plus first form of verb plus ing and plus object. To understand this sentence, there are few examples for you. क्या बच्चे फुटबॉल नहीं खेल रहे थे? Were children not playing football? क्या वो खाना नहीं बना रही थी? Was she not cooking food? क्या हम लंच नहीं कर रहे थे? Were we not eating lunch? etc etc. ये चंद मिसालें हैं जिनको आप देख के तो इस काबिल हो जाएंगे कि आप पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस के सिंपल फ़िक्रात और तमाम किस्म के फ़िक्र